Transportation is one of the most important things that every day has a tremendous development. Hi, I am Kinneth Pamenta. There we will know what is the mode of transportation back then and now in the future, and how science and technology helps in developing the mode of transport. Have you heard or know what is Kalisa? So join me as we travel back in 1700. A kalisa or kalisa is a two-wheeled horse-drawn carriage used in the Philippines. It is commonly vividly painted and decorated. It was a primary mode of public and private transportation during the Spanish colonial era in the Philippines. Though in modern times, they largely only survive a tourist attractions kalisa from the word Spanish kalisa were first introduced to the Philippines in the 1700s by the Spanish. It became the major public and private form of transportation in the Philippines up until the early 20th century. It was also used to transport goods. They were manufactured by traditional workshops known as carrosseria. It is made from wood, metal, or combination of both. Traditionally, it had single forward-facing bench that can accommodate two passengers. The kalisa driver, commonly called as cochero or in Spanish cochero, sits in the driver's seat in front. Both of the driver and the passengers are enclosed by the canopy originating from the back of the cab. The colorful decoration of the kalisa was also inherited by the post World War II jeepney, which we were also known as autokalisa in the 1940s. The legacy of the kalisa is also evident in the horse hood ornament of most jeepneys. As the world became modern and advanced due to technology, use of the kalisa declined in the mid-20th century when mass public transportation was largely taken over by motorized jeepneys and tricycles. Today's transportation has seen a significant leap forward, transforming the world into small village. These include cars. The development of the world of cars has been a great speed. We are now witnessing many different shapes, types and designs of them, and the car companies are more competitive to manufacture the latest cars and the fastest and most comfortable and safe. We also trains. Trains are one of the most modern means of transport through which thousands of people are transported through long distance and based inside or outside their countries. And through we transfer many different materials and goods and at a lower price compared to the other means. And buses. Buses and trucks are one of the most important modes of mass transport, transporting many people to and from their workplaces. Buses are used as a public transport. It is cheap and saves time and effort to move around. Pressure to phase out kalisas began in the 1940s when the 7,000 or so kalisas still operating in Manila started holding up motorized traffic. Kalisa in modern times are largely only used as a tourist attractions. They are still preserved in some areas of the Philippines such as San Fernando, Pampanga, Bigan, and Lawag. Kalisas can be also found in Intramuros, where they cater to tourists, and Binondo in Manila, as well as in Iligan, where decorated kalisas can be taken for a ride along specific street in Cagayan. Kalisas are common, especially in Tuaw, Tugigaraw, and other municipalities of the provinces. The technological development of the help of science and technology in the means of transportation has provided several benefits that have brought all countries economic progress and growth, such as increasing the speed of transportation, which save a lot of time, in addition to encouraging many people to travel and move from one place to another. Transportation has become more comfortable in terms of the quality of seats, in addition to providing place, no long roads for passengers to rest for some time. Transportation is now able to transport heavier loads in the past. So that is the end of our vlog. Again, this is Kinneth. See you in our next vlog.